Everybody, my name is Ma. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make steamed pork patty with salty mustard. Salty mustard in Chinese is called 梅菜. My home Huizhou City, Guangdong Province, South China is very famous for salty mustard, 梅菜. So every time I make this dish, it reminds me of my home. So let me show you how to make it. Here are all the ingredients we need. 300 grams of pork with a bit fat, and salty mustard, 梅菜 in Chinese. It is something special from my hometown Huizhou. 1 spring onion, and a chunk of ginger. And that's it. Salty mustard in Chinese is called 梅菜. It is a Huizhou special local food. Huizhou, it is in Guangdong Province in South China. Because I'm also from Huizhou, so this dish is a very special dish for me. Now we are going to wash the salty mustard. Salty mustard is covered with salt and sand. Some salt and sand hide in the leaves, so we need to wash the salty mustard very carefully and use the water to wash away the sand hidden in the leaves. Then soak the salty mustard in water for at least 1 hour. Now we are preparing the pork. First, cut off the fat skin of the pork slice. Then slice the pork into small pieces. Chop the pork with a cleaver. It is a bit time consuming. If you find it too much trouble, you can just buy the minced pork from supermarket. Now dice the pork fat skin. The fat added into the pork patty will make it taste better. The texture of it will be better. However, if you do not like fat and you want to keep the dish healthier, you don't need to add it. Mix the minced pork with fat. Then add a pinch of salt. Then mix salt with minced pork. Add 1 tablespoon of caster sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Two tablespoons of cooking wine. 1 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Mix all the seasonings with the minced pork. Gradually add some water because it will make the texture of the pork patty tenderer. In total, I add 4 tablespoons of water. One hour later, dry the salty mustard. Then chop the salty mustard into small pieces. The top of salty mustard is quite hard. You need to cut it off. Then chop the rest of the sauteed mustard into small pieces. Now we are going to stir fry the sauteed mustard. Turn on the cooker. Once the frying pan is hot, add the sauteed mustard. Do not need to add any cooking oil. Stir fry the sauteed mustard for around 2 minutes. Then add the sauteed mustard into the meat. Mix the sauteed mustard with the meat. After they're fully mixed together, add some sesame oil. Then mix the sesame oil with the meat. Prepare a bamboo steamer and put a plate into the steamer. Then add the pork patty on the plate. Dig some holes with chopsticks, so in this way the pork patty can be cooked quickly. Remove the ginger skin first. Then slice the ginger and scatter the ginger on top of the pork patty. Add hot water into a saucepan. Turn on the cooker and tune to high heat. Put the steamer on top of the saucepan. Cover the steamer and cook for 15 minutes. At the same time, finely chop a spring onion. "15 minutes later, steamed pork patty with sauteed mustard is ready. Scatter some spring onion. The dish is done. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the show. Christmas is coming, and I hope everybody have a great time at home with family at Christmas, and Happy New Year. See you!